All right, thought I was done doing upfitting, but apparently not. We got us a late year 22 F550, and we're doing a simple ass utility box. Getting ready to mount the trailer hitch on right now, and I did go ahead and prep it for weld. Customer did request welding because they're planning on abusing. Not only that, but I'm going with 5/8 bolts instead of the normal 1/2 inch. So yeah, it should be bash proof. Anyway, let's get into this. Alrighty, got all my brackets on, right there, and on the other side. And I went ahead and made my depth filler, kind of based off the 23 model year, but she's pretty rigid. And I got this mocked up in place. I'm going to set the bed before I weld it because these ends do pinch in on the frame rails. So I want to pinch it on the frame rails and then weld it. So yeah, let's got all my wiring done, my headache rack wiring and all that good stuff. So let's set a bed. All right, so I got a little bit ahead of myself. Went ahead and set the bed. Got the headache rack done. Wiring's all done. Filler neck is in, done. Got the bumper and all the wiring done back here, and wifey's old plate, license plate light. Yeah, so basically all buttoned up and good to go. So done.